Hello, hope you guys are doing well. We're going to go through your assignments for today. So I'm going to start first with your All About Me assignment. You guys did a fantastic job with this assignment last week, so I want to continue working on your All About Me's, okay? Some of you were able to insert pictures, and those were great, and some of you did not insert pictures, and I told you that was perfectly fine, okay? So same thing with this assignment, okay? So we're going to go through this really quickly. This part right here says my home. So if you have a picture of your house, you can put it right here in this photo album. If you don't, no problem, okay? And it says I live in. So you're going to tell me what you live in. Do you live in a house? Do you live in an apartment? What type of house do you live in? You're going to click right there and you're going to type right there. And then you're going to say it has. So what does it have in it? Does it have your family in there? Does it have your bed in there? Think of all the different things that your house has inside of it. And then you're going to put your favorite spot. So what is the favorite spot in your house? Is it maybe your front porch? Is it your kitchen? Is it your bedroom? Is it mom's bedroom? Is it the backyard? Think of your favorite spot in your house, and you're going to add it right down here where it says favorite spot. Okay, my school. So right here, you're going to add stuff about your school, okay? My teacher, you're going to put my name right there, Mrs. Hill, okay? Right there where it says my teacher. And then it says what I know about my teacher. So think about what you know about me, and you're going to put it in that box right there. And then you could put a picture of maybe you at school. And if you don't have any pictures, don't worry about it. And then it says what I think about this school year. So what do you think about this school year so far? It's very different than any other school year we've ever had. So I want you to think about it when you answer this, when you put that in that box of what you think about this school year. What is the name of your school? You're going to put that in this box right here. What is the name of your school? And then down here it says my town. What town do we live in? All right. And then the last one for your All About Me is my school favorites. So what are some of your favorite things about school? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hearts. So I want you to think of 5 things that are your favorites about school. Maybe it could be your friends at school. Maybe it could be going to lunch. Maybe going to specials, going to recess. Maybe it's the principal. Think of all of your favorite things at school and put them into 5 hearts, okay? That is it for your All About Me assignment. I'm going to go down here and explain this. This right here is our foundations cards, okay? So you're going to click right here on this play button and you're going to watch me go through our foundations cards, okay? I ask that after I do it, so if I say pee, pan, pa, you are then going to repeat after me, okay? So practice that at home because this is what we're doing at school, so practice it at home as well. This right here is your math assignment. When you click on this play button right here, you're going to find out more about your math assignment, so I will not go into more detail about it. Your math assignment. And then down here will be a read aloud that you will press play and you will watch the read aloud for the day. That is it for your assignment. Please let me know if you have any questions.